Established in 1978, Liangyu Oil Seal endeavors to manufacture the best oil seals for automobiles, motorcycles, and machines. With more than 40 years of experience, we provide customized solutions to our customers. Through our competitive advantages in technical professionalism, quality excellence, attentive services, and product diversity, Liangyu continuously improves and strictly controls product quality based on honest business operations that pursue excellent quality and create client satisfaction. Liangyu products are all made in Taiwan using raw materials from well-known brands from the USA and Japan. Sophisticated production line and high-end production facilities enabled the creation of a comprehensive stock capable of prompt delivery to meet customers' needs. Presently, we have more than 20,000 molds, and we actively pursue greater development. In order to ensure product quality and increase productivity, we implement modernized process management practices to reduce production costs and decrease product defects, therefore creating a competitive advantage on the marketplace. Our products include automobile category, oil seals for Japanese, American, and European automobiles, rear wheel seal, hub seal, engine crank seal, ABS seal, Teflon seal, bimaterial seal, dust wiper seal, spark plug seal, felt seal, shaft seal, bearing cap seal, end cap seal, cushion seal, pump seal, high pressure seal, gamma ring, valve stem seal, washer seal, power steering seal, PU seal, compressor seal, swivel kit, O-ring, customized seal, various packing methods and customized packing to fulfill customers' needs. Application in automobiles, motorcycles, agricultural machinery, heavy machinery, industry, chemical engineering, hydropower generators, and customized rubber seals. Strict quality control is essential to increase product competitiveness. Liangyu possesses a full series of precision inspection instruments, optical measuring instruments, rotation test machinery, shore hardness tester, micro IRHD hardness tester, auto feeding moving die rheometer, tensile strength tester, ozone weather meter, microtype FTIR, etc. Products require strict quality verification. We fully implement quality specifications from development and design, molding, process management, product acceptance, up to packing and warehousing. With belief in quality excellence, Liangyu obtained ISO 9001 and IATF 16949 certificates for continual implementation of PDCA cycle to increase product quality. We have established a brand, LYO, with the strategy in parallel with OEM. Our products reach 5 continents in the world and win high recognition internationally. With a professional R&D force, Liangyu understands customers' needs through communication, thereby ensuring the development of products that best meet our customers' applications. We create data analyses of respective materials by introducing computer-aided programs. We also collaborate with research centers to enhance our research capabilities for more aggressive market cultivation. Liangyu has currently become a successful example of automation among domestic enterprises. We shall continue to reform and innovate for incubating quality business personnel to upgrade our industrial technology. We expect to satisfy both domestic and overseas demands by exploiting resources to mold quality corporate culture and disciplines, to actively expand target markets, and to maintain high intent for growing together with our customers so that Liangyu may stand firmly in the international marketplace.